She's sad. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a very simple and elegant updo that I've been rocking all summer and I absolutely love it. So firstly, I'm going to start by detangling my hair thoroughly and make sure there's no knots while I try to sleek my hair back. Now I know it looks like I'm being very rough whilst I'm brushing my hair, but I've fast forwarded this clip. Trust me, I was being very gentle. So I did a straight through the middle parting because I actually have never tried doing that and I, again, absolutely loved it. So next bit, I'm gonna try this Eco Styler gel that is coconut. I've never seen it before. And I got it, so we're trying it for the first time. Slick my hair back, yes. I didn't film the bit where I put coconut oil and a little bit of water whilst I was slicking it back, but that really helped to keep my hair moisturized when I had this hairstyle. After I properly secured my hair with a lot of bubbles, I'm now going to attach the extension. Can you believe I got this extension for £10? Amazing, right? But it is synthetic, so it's not gonna last long, but I was desperate. Now I'm just laying my edges, yes, and you know what's coming? Yes, setting your edges. If you want them to last all day, you better set those edges. I set mine for 10 minutes and they were absolutely laid. Would you look at that? So this bit right here is my favorite bit of the whole hairdo. I don't know why, but I'm just going to use a bobby pin to attach the extension from the tip of my ponytail and start wrapping the extension around my ponytail all the way to the top. I've actually realized this is the best way to make your extension look more natural. As you can see guys, that was easy as ABC. When you get to this bit, obviously grab a bit of hair, wrap it round and secure it with bobby pins. But just look, how natural does that look? You can't tell me that's an extension, surely. If anybody asks, I'm gonna deny. This is my hair, okay? The very last step, we're gonna make our hair look even cuter. So I'm gonna add this accessories I got from Primark for £2 and I'm ready to go. She's sad. So we've come to the end of this video guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.